Hello everybody, this is Tim Onion. I'm here to give you my review on Epic, a new product by Mosh. A really cool product to say the least. It actually is a new product to help you make your own webinars, courses, um, info products, things along those lines. It's really cool. Like I said already once, it makes everything point and click. You can't really beat it. And I mean, it could save you thousands of dollars in the long run as opposed to paying another person on Fiverr, three, four, $500 to help you create a course. And with the low price that they have on this thing today is $19 with a really $19 as opposed to $500. That's amazing. Um, so what I'm gonna do here now is I'm gonna take you to my bonus page and show you what you can get if you buy through me with my bonuses, which I've designed specifically for this product. I have put these together with this product in mind, something that it doesn't give you inside of it. And what I have here are several products to help you bring and build your traffic, help you to, you know, advertise, get the word out to affiliates, hey, I'm putting out a new product there and this is what I want to do. And it also helps you advertise it yourself, put it out there on the internet and show it without even having to use somebody else in order to get the product out there. And right here we got Adwords Retargeting, which is a way to use AdWords to advertise and also send you know AdWords in a different direction than usual. Effective content marketing, of course. What are you doing? You're creating content with this app. So what do you want to? You're gonna want to market it, and what better way than go through a course on it? Facebook Ninja Ads. All right, and what this is it teaches you how to use Facebook ads and to retarget audiences and stuff inside of Facebook in order to leverage them to buy products. And then we have 30 ways to get free traffic. All right, who doesn't want free traffic? It's a lot cheaper than paying for it. Anyway, we're going to move on to the next product. All right, and we got the affiliate marketing blueprint. You know, Even though you're making your own product, you're still going to want to do some things on the side. And who knows how to get more traffic than affiliates themselves? And that's exactly what this is going to help you do. It's going to show you how to basically start from scratch as an affiliate and where to start, where to go, and how to get there. All right. Uh, Moving on from there, let's go over to the sales page, which is really nice and flashy here, of course. All right. Create your first profitable video course by lunchtime tomorrow using other people's time, traffic, and expertise, even if you're not an expert. All right. It says here, you don't have to worry about getting on camera. Attract top affiliates, thousands of niches to choose from, and create a long-term passive income. And the way you can do that is by creating this product. It's going to be out there in the cloud forever. People are going to be buying it. You see these guys, they've had courses out there for 2, 3, 4 years, and people are still buying them. It's crazy. All right, build top selling courses, done for you course content list. All right, and just copy and paste. And this is the key thing too: zero. I repeat, zero tech skills needed. Just point and click, like I was saying. It's a simple click, clack, go through, boom, boom. All right, and 90-day money back guarantee. Usually it's just a 30-day from the thing. All right, here we go. Let's get a couple more pictures here of it. All right. I mean, you can't really beat this product. I'm going to show you. Mosh Bari did a demo. He explains it a lot better than I could. He goes a little in depth into things, so I'm going to skip through it a little bit just to show you basically what you're looking at. All right. So here we go. Okay, he's in the members page right there. I'm going to turn his volume on and shut mine off for a moment. Like I said, I'll leave mine on so you can right?
modules. So let's say first module and add a number, create.
You see there, you create the first
Now
module. It's real
these are
simple.
blank space. You can add anything.
All right, and you can add anything here. You got images, videos, music, audio. All right, he's gonna go through. He's gonna show you where to pull images from. You can pull them from just about anywhere. If you can download it, upload it, you can put it in there. All right. So he's got a thing. He's still going. He's got his images. There you go. He found an image. He's gonna put it in there. Boom. It's in there. Really not all that difficult. It's just like making your advertisement pages. So you just take the picture. You pretty much upload and paste. All right, and you go here. You want to add music. You can click on the music right down here. And let me open this up a little more. All right, you can put your music in there. You can do your audio recordings right there. You can do pretty much, you can put any kind of sound in there that you want to, that you have available to you. It's really it's nifty. Can't make it any simpler than that. All right. Yeah, you got more audio there. You can put in your text. Just click on the text thing, boom, boom, put it in there, move it around, put it where you want it. All right. Change the color. It's all, and it's all point and click. It's all, there's really, you don't, there's no coding, nothing that you would think of as far as making a program that you really have no idea about that process as far as that goes. That's why people pay $3, $4, $500 to have a professional put these products together, because it didn't used to be this easy. It didn't have a product that you could create a template and so on and so forth this easily. This is just a really cool product, and I would recommend buying it. I'm probably gonna buy it here in a moment once I leave my own page, because I can't buy off my own page. It's against the rules. So I'm probably gonna go see one of my other affiliate members here, and I'm gonna go buy this thing, and I'm gonna put together my own info product. So as again, thank you for watching. If you like the video, go ahead, like and subscribe down below. Also, if you want to buy through me, there's a point to click on the in the description, also in the comment section. And also, yeah, go ahead, leave your comments. Tell me what you think of the video. If you like it, you don't like it, what you don't like about it, let me know. I'm not scared. I'm not offended. Let the words fly. All right. And to everybody, thank you. Have a good evening and or day wherever you are, whatever it might be. And I hope you buy this product and enjoy it as much as I'm going to. And take it easy.